Well, you just want to be out there looking at the syndicators and knowing what markets they are investing in.
Hi, everybody. It's David and Drew with Nighthawk Equity here again. Understanding the multifamily market cycle is key to figuring out which markets are the best areas to invest in. Drew, tell us a little bit more about this.
Sure. Yeah. So the market cycle, as we think about it, David, there's really 4 phases to it. Starts out in recession. Second, an area can move into its recovery phase, and then it goes into its expansion phase, and finally hits hyper supply. So what we want to do is key in on the markets that are in the middle of that are in the recovery or expansion phase. And you know that they're in those phases when they look like this. So first off, in the recovery phase, vacancy is decreasing. There's low to moderate construction, but the construction is trending toward higher numbers. And that's when you know you're moving toward the expansion phase. And in expansion phase, this is a great spot to be in. So again, decreasing vacancy rates, high rates of new construction. So you'll see cranes all over the skyline or in your market area. You have high employment growth. You have companies moving into that area and expanding. And you have high rental rate growth. And then after that, you move back into the hyper supply phase, which again, you don't want to be in as much.
Now, Drew, suppose I'm an investor and I want to find, a syndicator, right? And make sure that they're operating in the right stages or phases of each market cycle. Where can I find more information about this?
Yeah, well, you just want to be out there looking at the syndicators and knowing what markets they are investing in. And then what I would do is I would cross-reference those markets with the report that articulates these supplies. That'd be the IRR viewpoint report. So if you just Google that, you can find that report. And we're also going to put it up here on the screen on this presentation. But it goes into detail about each multifamily market and what cycle, what phase of the cycle they're in. You can Google data on different markets and figure out, are they growing? Are they not? Are people moving there? Nighthawk, in our experience, has found that our 2 key markets, Huntsville, Alabama, and Atlanta, are right in this expansion phase. They're growing like crazy, high rates of rental growth, lots of new properties being built. And that's the sweet spot that you want to be in, that we found tremendous success in. So research those syndicators and try to be with those that are investing in those high growth markets.
Thanks so much, Drew. If you're watching this and you have some more questions on the Atlanta market and what makes it so great, or if you're just interested in investing passively with Nighthawk, please book a call with me. You can do this by visiting nighthawkequity.com/call, and I look forward to speaking with you. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time.